Oh, hello, everybody. This is the place to introduce the new feature. How many features will the new version have? You can define the cut depth of the graph. And then let's say I add two circles here. The bottom of a circle is cut off. For example, the circle above me does not cut off the bottom. Just pull a slot on it. Choose the middle circle like that. Right-click and then there's a cut property here. There's a cut depth here. You define it yourself. How deep do you want to cut? Cut it 5 mm deep to be defined, and then it goes deep. And then you can see it in this preview. What about this outside here and this outside here? It's cut to the bottom. This is the bottom 6 mils. 5 mils is 2 packets, according to your drop. It just doesn't have a bottom. Depending on how much your board rises in the background, how much to cut straight in. This is the first feature. The second word is applied to this fan. Let's say this one. I'm going to align this straight edge. Just click on this. Then click on this thread. This applies to. It is not the case that the knife path is generated. The whole thing turns upside down. This slash will work as well. The third function is the suction knife. Suction knife into ZR. Let's say I have one. L-shaped countertops. When I'm in this position, he'll automatically add a paragraph, the yellow one. Suicide a section of this washing knife incision. It will automatically cut it off. And then here's a precaution. When it cuts through, you could see the knife is here and the parameters are here. Here's a L-shaped indentation challenge value. A negative value is a reduction of -20 save, so that's 20. A negative cut. I'll just cancel it. And then there's a panel and a grab. The table panel looks like this. The child is second to last on this toolbar. And I'm gonna create. Let's create a new one here. Let's say one is also L, and then enter the size. And then determine. After we're sure, this is where you can add a mouth. Let's say you want a square mouth. Choose a square mouth. And then there's the direction of the hole. How? By this number. Drag it to a certain place. Let's say I drag it around here. Let's say I want 500 here, metaphorically speaking. You edit him directly. He's going to be 500. It's 150 down here, so it will come down automatically. The next thing is the number of holes you add. 3 is 3 holes. And then we have a layer edge. That's it. There's a peripheral here. An absorbent basin. A groove. The groove of number 5. When you're sure, you're sure. Click on this again. And that's it. It's also automatic knife washing. There's one here as well. The chain slot has slots. And then at the back is the suction knife. This is for the sink. The bottom one is a grab. To catch a picture is to say, you have to grab it like this. Let's say you take a picture. Pull it out. I'm going to grab this table frame right now. To make an analogy, select the multi-motion line. And then click on it. Panamic acid. My words, teacher words, even hard money, did not deviated. They found only QR code passed. It should have been called before. I'll let it go. I have no context. Well. They had to look like that last time. When to choose him, I can close it up. Edit when you're done. Just come up with a box. It depends on the accuracy of your two cameras. And then the next one is the rapid improvement. It's after you cut it. Finish each cut. A position is a rapid increase in altitude, and then move to that. Just check this one. That's the parameter. And then the parameter. System parameters. And then there's a quick knife lift. The system parameters are then released. The password is 1. And then check here. So let me save that. He finished the cut with a quick lift. And then go to another position and cut. There are also some fixes for that feature. Well, I won't go through all of them. Main these few functions. Oh, good, that's it.